wontons with chocolate chip ice cream. Oh, let's see what this is. It's lamb gyro dumplings. Embrace technology, because technology is something that has to be embraced by hospitality to thrive. This is the future. This is the way, the most efficient and cost-effective way to distribute a product. And 7 out of 10 restaurants do fail within 3 years. The #1 reason is excessive payroll. And with that, I believe that the automat actually saves jobs.
I think now I'm less nervous about interactions with people, but I think it'll make it quicker. And I think anyone who is nervous will be very excited about this.
Ultimate dessert.